Hey guys, welcome to Pitch and Roll 4x4. I'm Blair.
And I'm Garrett.
And today we are at 5 Mile Pass, which is in the hills just outside of Lehi, Utah. We're going to go up on the trails here. I think we're going to try and do a trail called Rattlesnake Canyon, but I'm not quite sure where it is, so we're going to figure it out on the way. So today we have our 2020 JL Rubicon.
We're just going to air down our tires and hit the trail.
Alright, so my wife Shanna is with us today. She hasn't been out wheeling too much with Garrett and I, but she's behind the wheel right now. I think she's having a great time. So one of the things we've learned about this 5 Mile Pass recreation area is that even though there are some named trails, there are no trail markers. So apparently, unless you know where you're going, you just kind of go out and explore. So we are just exploring these canyons. There are crisscrossing trails all over the place. At this point, we're back in the canyon, and if someone was to ask me how to get out, I would have no clue. But we're having a good time. We brought lunch with us. We're planning on stopping at some point eating and just enjoying the outdoors. It is a Saturday afternoon, and there are quite a few ATVs and side-by-sides out here on the trails today. But they haven't bothered us too much, so we're having a good time.
Alright, so we're just driving along the trail and we just stumbled upon these mines. These are really...
Hopefully I don't fall through. So I attempted this obstacle here with the Jeep and thought we could make it up, but I think I was taking a wrong line and we were getting stuck about halfway up this thing, so I ended up backing it down and turning around, and we decided to make this our pit stop for lunch. And you can see here we've pulled over out of the way, getting our chairs out. Gonna make it now.
Alright, so as we're heading down the trail, we met up with these guys, and they just did an obstacle called Wayne's World, and they're gonna spot us up it, and it should be pretty fun.
It's gonna feel weird. Now come all the way towards me right now. Shot on the Wayne's World obstacle a couple times, and just wasn't quite getting the right line, or my tires were too full of air. I don't know, we're having some sort of issue, so didn't quite make it. But we watched some other Jeeps take it on, and now we've met up with a group from Artec, and we're heading up to a obstacle called the Eagle's Nest. I don't know anything about it, but I guess we're gonna find out. Alright guys, so we just finished up our day out at 5 Mile Pass. We figured out that we went into the wrong parking lot, so you gotta learn things when you're going out exploring. We met up with the group from Artec. We did a few obstacles that maybe we shouldn't have, but it was fun and nothing wrong. So anyway, it was a great day. We're just airing up in the parking lot here and getting ready to head home.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.
Oh, I totally forgot I had a plugged tire. We survived.